bed.
No, you're gonna sleep in Riley's bed.
No. No.
Where do you want to sleep?
I bed.
No.
Mommy's bed.
No.
Why?
Because you have to sleep in Riley's bed.
No.
Yes.
No. Mommy's bed.
Who's sleeping in Haley's bed?
Mimi.
No. Who?
Me.
No.
Why?
Because Haley sleeps in her bed.
Mommy's bed.
No.
Why?
Because you sleep in Riley's bed.
Mommy's bed.
No.
Why?
Because you sleep in Riley's bed.
Why?
Because it's your bed.
Why?
What's she doing?
Heaven.
She's sleeping?
Yeah.
Where's she sleeping?
Pillow.
On her pillow? Nice hair.
Yeah.
Night night.
No.
Why?
Guys.
'Cause what?
Mommy's bed.
Not Mommy's bed.
Why?
What are you looking at?
Fishies.
Papa's fishies?
Yeah.
You see fishies?
Yeah.
Night night, baby.
No.
Yes.
No.
Uh-huh.
No.